There are a lot of money making sources, but today I will show you the best ones so you can work from home. They are absolutely free and you can make them work even if you have never made money online before. If you're interested, make sure to follow me step by step till the end of this tutorial. Just before we start, let me remind you that if you haven't already, to subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you're going to get notified each time I upload a brand new strategy on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them and therefore make the most money. If you love this type of content, give this video a thumbs up and also leave a comment down below if you have any question or opinion. Without any further ado, let's start with today's tutorial so I can show you everything, and make sure to not skip any step because you can get easily lost and confused since I'm going to give you multiple websites. And let's start with the first one, which is called Remotasks. This is over at remotasks.com. You can earn in US dollars doing online tasks from your home. You can join their community of more than 240,000 of taskers. If you scroll down, you're going to see that they have paid out more than $15 million, and this works in more than 90 countries like Kenya, Philippines, Venezuela, Vietnam, and so on. You can even see the testimonials from people from these countries, what they have to say about this platform. So if you scroll down, you're going to see how this works. So you're going to do those tasks, get paid, and it's that simple. The task varies from labeling images to transcribing audio, and you can earn money again and again. And the best part about this is that you're going to learn how to do those tasks first with their quick online courses or free training. You're going to complete the tasks and then you're going to get paid in US dollars quickly, and also in PayPal or AirTM based on your quality and number of tasks completed. So it depends on you on how much time and effort you want to put on this in order to get the desired results. You're going to see that no prior experience is required. Just like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, you can level up and earn even more. So the more difficult a task is, the more money you're going to earn. You can work from anywhere, anytime. You can even work from home. You're going to just need a computer and an internet connection to get started. All you need to do is to just come over to remotasks.com and you're going to click on the Start Earning Today button or in the Sign Up button in the upper right corner. In the next page, you're going to agree to the terms of service, and then you can continue with your Facebook account or Google account, which is a lot easier and faster. So this was the first platform that I wanted to show you. Let's proceed with the second one for today, which is called Womplay. This is over at womplay.io. You can play, earn, and repeat. So you're going to get to play a lot of videos over here that are free, fun, and you're going to get fair rewards for everyone. You have a huge collection of web and mobile games. You can earn points, but also cash from playing those games and competing, and also you're going to cash out, and you can get a lot of prizes and cash, which is pretty awesome actually. So this is one of the easiest and also funnest ways to get paid online, because playing games is fun and also it's something that we do pretty much online. So it's pretty awesome to get paid by just playing games. In order to get started, just click on Start Playing here on the register button up here. Then you're going to just register with your Google account, Facebook account, Twitter account, or your Apple account, as you can see, and then just accept their terms and conditions. So you're going to start playing those games and getting paid again and again. So your next step is to come over to the third platform, which is called Quickthoughts. This is over at quickthoughts.app.com. So this is just the official website for the app. You can also download the app for free on App Store or Google Play Store. So this is available for people that use iOS and Android devices. They love your opinion, so as you may guess also from the name, you're going to get paid by just completing surveys. You're going to get paid by giving your opinions about different things. They make your opinion count by pairing you with surveys that improve the goods and services you already enjoy. So this was the other platform that I wanted to show you. Let's proceed with another one, which is called Easyshift, and it's over at easyshiftapp.com. Even this website offers you the possibility to download it on your iOS or Android device. This one is going to pay you for doing some other tasks like getting paid to shop, eat and explore your city. You have the freedom to earn where you want. You can earn cash anywhere. You're going to find quick jobs at local stores and shops, and unfortunately this is only available for US and UK residents. As you can see, tasks are very simple and fun. You're going to take photos of products, for example. You're going to check prices, review promotions and so on. You're going to get fast and automatic payments in 48 hours, and you're going to get paid in PayPal money. You can start very easily by downloading your app on iOS or Android devices. So you're going to see here that it's been featured on Forbes, Wall Street Journal, USA Today and so on. So this means that this platform is a very known one, and also it has a lot of potential to make you a lot of money. You can just download it from Google Play Store or Apple Store in order to get started with it. So this was another one which pays you for doing something different. So I have a lot of platforms with different tasks that you can complete. I'm going to proceed with the fifth one actually, and also the last one, which is called Scribe. This is over at scribe.com. As you can see, you can transcribe your podcast, documents, interviews and so on. So people come here in order to get some services from Scribe. So you're not going to pay in order to get these services. You are going to be the one that is going to complete those services, so you can get paid again and again. You can do transcription job, the review part, you're going to do the proofreading part, or the quality check. So in order to get started by working here and making money, you can just scroll down all the way till the bottom of this page and then click on the transcribers part or section, or you can even click here on sign up as a transcriber. In the next page, you're going to see an overview, an introduction, so you can get to know more what you need to do, how much money you can make, and so on and so forth. So this is a home-based job. You can work at your convenience, no obligations, no monthly commitments or withdrawal limits. They don't assign you files. You get to preview and choose the files to work on. So also this depends on you, on how much time and effort you want to put on this, so you can get the desired results. They offer short files, 10 minutes or less. You're going to get paid $5 up to $25 per audio hour pay rate. Also, you can get rewarded for good performance, and then you can become a reviewer, proofreader, or quality check, that one that we saw before. And also you can get monthly bonuses of $5 for every 3 hours completed. If you scroll down, you're also going to check out that the requirements are a good comprehension of English, ability to interpret conversations. You need to have a PayPal account, so this pays you in PayPal money, which is pretty awesome actually. You just need then to have like a laptop or a computer, and also an internet connection, headset, and also like the latest version of Firefox, Chrome or Safari, as you can see. So in order to get started with Scribe, you just need to click on the sign up button here, so you can get started with scribe.com. You can do those tasks and get paid again and again. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, a comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.